Dear Miao Yu, hopefully the spelling is correct though. This video is for you, but before that, let me recap on how we met.
We first met at F3.5 HQ. I don't really have the footage for that, but it is the place where we met for the first time. The next day we went to Damai. I got a lot of cruise shots and finally introduced you in the vlog.
是苗玉啊，终于，他是从
周贺
It was a long and tiring day. We showed you around town, rode the sampan, walked around waterfront to the streets of Kuching. We had a great time. I even took some pictures of you, but didn't manage to talk to you with the camera. So before you leave, we went to Yizhong, which is one of the famous high schools in Kuching. You've seen the video done by Sean and Jerry from Pixbugs, and now you're actually there experiencing it firsthand of the place. It's a memorable sight to see your expression. Kinda makes it feel like you're on set of a movie. The moment you're leaving, it feels weird because we got to know you in a few days, yet it feels like years.
Thank you 喂，谢谢你让我免费住宿。哎，thank you，
拜拜。
thank you。
我也跟他去啊。
OK，唔該。
哎，抱歉。拜拜。拜拜。
Thank you。
我跟他
不會啦，
跟他不熟。
跟他不熟，太熟了。謝謝，真的玩得好開心。
下一次。
沒有。的 cooking cake。
他要。
下次我來的時候，你們要帶我出去玩哈，不要帶我一次，你們就好氣我了。你們講。
有啊，怎么没有带？之前我没有。
next time 啊。
哎，谁啊？这个免疫啊，很熟我这个名，很像我们上次带过的嘞。Cross。
祝你们一切順利 ，OK？
拜拜。可以多啊。拜拜。霸氣。拜拜。
It is a bittersweet moment to see you leave. But the bitter part of it is we never know when we will see you again, and the sweet part is we know you had a great time hanging out with us, and I believe we all do.
Making this video takes a lot of effort, but my intent is to put a smile on your face and hopefully the people you met in Kuching. Hopefully you're smiling while watching this and hope to see that smile the next time we meet. Hello!
我现在还在等嘞，那个飞机好像有一点 delay。
哦，飞机 delay？ 哦
So I think 大家在排队的时候应该是要我订了。
当然你排队啦，没有，你坐下来
耶。真的很开心，然后谢谢你们一直陪我去玩，然后带我去吃。
其实我们也听不到。
I know you guys are very tired and very busy, so 谢谢你们，然后很开心认识你们。很快再见面。祝你们一切都顺顺利利，赚大钱，告诉你，耶！拜拜。
掌声！要看到这个很丑的。来了 ，OK， 看，来了。Show is over, guys. Show is over. Go home now. 我1分钟多啊。